So today's the day where we finally find out if I got a lemon or if I got a cherry with my $3,000 budget sports car. So far, we're still under $2,000, and that's Canadian, so what, about 50 bucks American on this total build. I bought a few things, been working on the floors, and they're almost done, and I paid a total of $1,750 Canadian for this thing. So let's see if it actually runs. I've already done a few things. Like, I checked all the fluids in it when I bought it, made sure everything was there and good. But we'll pop the hood open and have another look. Check some oil. Well, that's full. So we know there's at least oil in the crankcase. Back in the little hole down there. Plug wires are all tight, coil's nice and tight. Full of coolant. So getting in this car is not the easiest thing in the world to do for me. I'm a pretty big guy, but just gonna sit on the floor and we'll try cranking her over. Clutch is in. Choke is pulled. I think we almost had it there. Okay, we've got good oil pressure. Fired up pretty good. Definitely still wants to go. Let's just have a little look here at the gauges. So, our tach is working just fine. Oil pressure is right where it should be. And I don't know if that fuel gauge works or not. Oh, and it seems like we're already building a little bit of engine temperature. Well, there you have it, $1,750, and it started right up and runs like a champ. In the next video, hopefully I'll have the floors done so that we can put some seats in it and take this thing out for a little ride down the road. I mean, down the private track. So we'll see you next time.